Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. You know exactly how I get down. One of our customer had a Nissan that had absolutely no power so inside except the key making noise. They thought it was the battery. A lot of people think it's the starter and they'll think it's the alternator. Keep the diagnostic simple. If you have done a diagnostic on the battery and they said it's good and you're still not getting any kind of power on the inside, there is a main battery fuse, and you can see the sight glass, which is right there. Let me see if I can zoom in on it, and you can see it's broken. Just think of it as a bridge. The bridge is broken, so there's no electricity. I'm just making this video to keep the diagnostic simple so you won't be spending a whole bunch of extra money on starters and alternators and batteries and everything else. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and please leave positive comments. Thank you. All right, so